Welcome to this YouTube channel, Biafra latest updates. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching from. In this channel, we do any latest updates or breaking news about Biafrans and our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I want you to watch this video till the end. You write on the comment section what you think about the video. In this channel, every opinion do count, of course when it is done constructively. Do watch the video, share the video with your family members and friends so they know what is going on, like the video, and please don't forget to click on that red subscribe button and turn on your post notification so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be amongst the first to be notified. May God bless you as you support me. One love. See you in my next video.
I saw something like IPOB being destroyed. IPOB being destroyed. And as I look, I saw some people that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Brother Nnamdi, really love, that they left the leadership of IPOB. And as they left, they just, I don't know, they were kind of frustrated. They left because they thought that their integrity has been, their name has been profaned. So they left. I think group of them just say, okay, I'm done. So by doing that, IPOB, that was a big blow. And immediately I saw some people grabbing, running, rushing to grab Nnennaya Anya scepter. But as I look, I saw a man that I called chameleon. Even I call it chameleon in that prophetic understanding. And the man come into the place of authority in IPOB, and he restored the dignity and the integrity of IPOB. And that was on the best interest of Brother Nnamdi. And as I look, I said, how come it took this man a long time to come in? But I hope that fall of IPOB will not take long. And I am praying that it's going to be something that will be maybe for weeks and not months. Master Prophet, why don't you pray against it? No, I'm not going to pray against it. Because I learned how sometimes you don't need to pray against some certain things. You just have to leave them the way it is. But I'm asking myself, why is that all these some few people, those that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu trust, have to abandon him and just left and go home? Why? But let the will of the Most High comes to pass. So please share this thing so that idiot called Darlington will hear, and other people. But it's not just because I'm not talking about Darlington or this. I want to bring out the truth so that people will know, will understand. Because today I received a lot of things. Even somebody wrote me and said, Master Prophet, the way things are happening, I don't feel like sending money to IPOB anymore. Where is it? He wrote it down. Okay, I'm not going to show the number. I hope his number will not appear. You see? You see? So he sent me this, and then he said that he's disappointed. So that means Nigeria is not the one destroying IPOB. Nigeria, Buhari, the wise Buhari, the one wearing the cap of Buhari, is not the one that can destroy IPOB. Nigerian army cannot destroy IPOB. IPOB can be destroyed by the people who claim that they love IPOB. N'ụbọchị nketa ekelene m Chukwu okike abịa m. Ekelene m mmụọ n'ebe nna m. Ekelene m ndị mbụ na ndị egede. Ekelene m Amadioha. Ekelene m Kamala ọzụzụ. Mmụọ n'ebe ndị ọgọ m na farukwu ibe. Please, the call will be later. Please, somebody's calling already. Give me 1 minute. Hello, my brother. Please, can you call back in 5 minutes, please? In 5 minutes, please. Please, 5 minutes.
Please, the call will be later. Please, somebody's calling already.
So, ekelene m ndị mbụ na ndị egede. N'oriri dị nsọ, eluigwe n'ụwa na-enwe mmekọrịta bụrụ otu n'ime mmụọ ọrụ ebube. Ọrụ ịhụnanya ya bụ ihe omimi Chineke, amamihe n'onwe ya. Ịhụnanya nwere njikọta, ụmụ mmadụ kelenu Chukwu si ya, otito dịrị gị Chukwu. Ọ naanị ọjị naanị ndị Igbo ka Chineke nyere ọjị si anyị ji kpokuwe ya. Ọ naanị ndị Igbo ka Chineke nyere ọjị ka anyị ji na-akpọku ya. Ekelene m Chukwu okike abịa ama. Asị m mmụọ nọ n'ala Igbo ha niile bịa tara ọjị. Nzu nụkwa nga bịa mara nzu, onye mara ihe enyi ibe ya ma ewerekwe mmanya ọkụ si Chineke pụrụ ime ihe niile. Chukwu okike abịa ama, mmụọ n'ebe nna m Amadioha, mmụọ n'ebe ndị ọgọ m Kamala ọzụzụ, ndị afọrụkwa ibeku has neglected, bịa ṅụrụkwa mmanya. Ha esoro ihe ndị ọcha kụziri na ha. Ha bụ mmụọ eji aga ọgụ soro akụkọ ndị ọcha. Stupidity of the slave masters. Emechakwa ha ejekwe na dibia. Agbarịchakwa nwa ngele, ekurukwe nwa ngele ṅụrụ. Chineke, ekelene m gị. Ekelene m gị. Ṅụrụkwa mmanya o. Onye amụma chiri bụ ụzọ aṅụ mmanya. Nwekwa onye kụziri na nne. Ala Europe ṅụrụ mmanya, ala Igbo ṅụrụ mmanya, onye ṅụrụ ya na ibe ya. Onye amụma ṅụrụkwana mmanụ. Biko share na ihe, biko achọrọ m ka everybody nọ, ka ndị niile na-asọpụtaghachi coup against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ka ha nọ. There is ongoing coup in IPOB. There is a coup. Enwere coup plot. People are planning coup. So biko send ya nga ha nwee position whatever. Enwere coup to dethrone Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Biko share ihe ka onye ọbụla nọ, ka ha niile bata, ka ndị na-plan coup ka ha bata. Chineke ihe nkwa ọsọ ọjị. Ọ sị na ọsọ ọjị a na-aga iji ihere. Onye amụma ya werekwara ọjị tara, werekwa ọsọ ọjị taa. Chineke ekwekwele ka Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ji iji ihere. Even ihe niile anyị na-anọ ma rumo, Chineke biko ekwekwele ka those rumors were eziokwu. Ka ọ bụrụ na the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra ga-apụta n'udo, ka ndụ ya dịrị, ka ndụ ya dịrị n'ahịa na-anọ nke ala Igbo, ka ndụ ya dịrị. Chineke biko arịọna m gị. N'ụbọchị nke taa, the caption m tinyere here today wụ, the picture m tinyere wụ, elee among ndị niile nọ nga Darlington, Madam Nnennaya Anya, and enyi m nwoke Kanunta. I've known Kanunta for over 15 years now. Don't know how long. Okay, I know him before my children. I've known Kanunta over 20 years now in Germany. So he has been my friend over 20 years. So in fact, I know him before Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I think I heard about him about, let me say, 2015. But I have known Kanunta years before. So my question is, among all these people, their pictures are here, who do you think should have the best interest of Nnamdi Kanu? Nnamdi Kanu, among their picture ha na ebe a, ele onye iche ga-enwe the best interest at heart. Achọrọ m ka unu vote. It doesn't matter, vote on onye ọbụla. Please, in 2 minutes, I get bido calls. I can answer question. Calls. Onye ọbụla or ka onye ọbụla ichiri ikwu. I don't care onye ọbụla ichiri ikpo sabo kpọwa ha. But biko, just name 2-3 minutes. Finish here, I may take a calls. Ya wuru 2-3 hours, no problem. But I can deal with this thing today. Okay? Now, him chiri jo Nnamdi Kanu Kanunta no here. Picture ya na ebe a. Madam Nnennaya Anya, picture ya na ebe a. This boy na-akpọ onwe ya Darlington. Foto ya nọ nga. And nwanne anyị nwaanyị amama aha ya. Mama mo na ekwu n'okwu mba mama asino Nedley or whatever. And then we put another one on nga. Ele onye iche ga-enwe the best interest of Nnamdi Kanu at heart. Number one, who I think should have the best interest of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should be, number one, my wife, Mona Ebinolo. Kanunta, which is the brother. And the other day, 1 week ago, Kanunta declared that it is the will of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that Nnennaya Anya, Madam Nnennaya Anya is doing a good job. Okay, I don't want to declare my source, but I think I heard when they were discussing it, a message came, and my wife delivered that message that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have 100% support Nnennaya Anya. And Kanunta declared 1 week ago that Nnennaya Anya, Madam Nnennaya Anya is doing a good job. That she's the one that is in charge of Ego and IPOB Buruburu or Wanine. So who is Darlington and $50 every month? Darlington ne puari glasses na asa. Who is Darlington? Iga were ihe Darlington kwuru against ihe Kanunta kwuru against ihe nwaanyị mwu nwanne Mazi Nnamdi Kanu kwuru ga-ewere nke Darlington. So Darlington has the best interest of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu at heart more than the brother of Nnamdi Kanu. This man has been calling all along. Hello, my brother Ndewo. Ichoho ka mkwucha ihe m chiri ikwu. Ọ dị ka ọ na-ahụ gị ọkụ n'obi. Mama. Hello? Ọ dị ka ọ na-ahụ gị ọkụ n'obi. Ichoho ka mkwuda ekwuda. Ngwa biko kwuo ụka na n'afọ ọjọọ njọ. Ka m gene gị. Ndewo.
Yeah, I'm sorry to disturb you, and I hope I'm coming out clear, sir.
You are coming out clear. Ya ihe hichiri kwuo ye. Ka anyị nọ.
Okay, the reason why I called you is this. We are in a crucial time. Yeah. I joined IPOB since 2014. And I joined IPOB since 2014. At least I know some certain things like you. But this time around, the discussion you drew out today, for me, I'm not really in support of it. I'm just saying my own opinion.
Go straight to the point. Because one go straight to the point. Here, Chireko, Ataloka ata. Yadi here is in Naga on, a Liho Naga on. Kuye Kaina.
At least you have to allow me to speak my mind, sir.
No, what I meant, Monagini put the same thing. As him, things are going on. Here na go on, or Panagini, Kawaji, Fumakai Ota, Kamwadi Deluka.
What is going on now is that our leader is in the dungeon.
Yeah.
We shouldn't be deviating from the reality.
Yes, you're right.
These things now, I'm a coordinator. Joined IPOB since 2014, appointed by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So this discussion now is kind of deviating from our goal.
Which discussion are you talking about? Which discussion are you talking about? The one I'm doing now.
The discussion you are...
No. Oh, please, hold it there. If you are a coordinator, most of you people are sharing this propaganda that Nnennaya Anya is the one that... Wait, listen. No, listen, please. Yeah, we hear so that I can move on. So, Nnennaya Anya did not betray Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And because most of the places, most of the blogs that I belong, IPOB blog that I belong, I see all this propaganda coming in. And any one of them, if there are 10,000, 99% of them believe that Darlington is telling the truth. 99% of them believe that these women from America are telling the truth. So now, I'm not here now to change the narrative. Guys, so mmeshizionu ka onye the innocent was the guilty one. No, I get kuye ka amara ya. Agbalam na owo the chena. Here we ha ga ekwu ka ekwu ye. Number 1, ikporo to shut me down. No, you're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to listen. Asalam chere. Have you heard on recording ekuru 2 days or 3 days ago? Na asina Nnennaya Anya asiya na ewete password and this and that. And at the end of the day, no with another lady none of her before. No her make a call. Now on a Zoom meeting. Have you had it?
Can I respond to you?
One day, because Monagane Kokuna ask him in Nnennaya.
Can I respond?
Go ahead on one day.
You know, I did not throw any challenge word to you.
Maybe Owolum because
what I'm trying to say is I am not what I have is Facebook page. I am not a media person.
Okay.
I don't like to come on social media to come and say something that I don't know or something that I'm not aware of. Right?
Okay.
So all I'm trying to say, I'm a builder. Like what I said, I joined IPOB in 2013, and
2 minutes. So go straight to your point, and now can move on.
What I'm trying to say is this: I am not among those people that bring division by accusing people falsely. I don't say things I don't know. What I'm trying to say is this: we shouldn't be deviating from the reality that is inside, and all these things. All this discussion now is, deviating from the goal.
I'm sorry, I have to cut you off. Thank you, I disagree with you. Emailer, coordinator, but I will That is something. That is
the problem now.
Yes, that is something that can.
I'm not using this.
Okay. Achomewu. Okay, the word I'm using on you. Let me also use it on me.
If you use that word on me, you don't know me.
No.
What I'm trying to say is this.
Asimge awukwala. No, asimge awukwala. Asihim na ewu. Asimge awukwala. Okay, no. Ewu na amunogu. Or let me put it back to myself. Achomewu. Okay, no. Ewu na amunogu. So my brother, any name get time. You can finish. You actually shut them down. So because no longer
you see that is.
Thank you. Go. Now, all the whole platform that things that people are parading. If IPOB people, if 20 million of them heard about this propaganda, this woman from America is spreading, working in conjunction with this idiots, Darlington. 99% of them believe that is truth. 99% of them believe it's truth. They believe that Nnennaya Anya is the big devil, or she's the she devil. They believe that Nnennaya Anya is the one sabotaging ESN. They believe that Nnennaya Anya is the one who sold Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They believe that even Kanonta is the one supporting Nnennaya Anya to betray the brother. Which kind of rubbish is that? Which kind of rubbish is that? And the match you somebody say, oh, now coordinator, mekule gini. Onwere onye obula no nga na ahụ the voice recording asking Nnennaya Anya that this woman is telling Nnennaya Anya to bring out her telephone number, her password, her code. Kayajije check here. Hello, mama. Do ya dere gị na mma? Nwanne ya dere gị na mma. So, onwere onye na-anụbe, onwere onye Igbo, onwere onye, in short, I check no onwere onye IPOB na-ahụbe propaganda. First of all, the propaganda was sent by that idiot and a gold prophet. All of you, most of you are sharing that propaganda. But let me tell you, you people are false, just like your prophet. Now, about 3 days or 4 days ago, one of these women that is here, I don't even know the one it is, has released another voice recording calling Madam Nnennaya Anya to bring out all her information, and another woman living somewhere, another lady, that so that they can check whether they are in a secret meeting. I think on the 6th of last month, they were in this secret meeting to capture Nnamdi Kanu. Do you know how many people has called me today? A woman called me, was shedding tears. Is it true? Is it true? Is it true? Oh, Chineke, Ogadre Hanamma, propaganda. And all of you share this propaganda. Oh, like all those conspiracy propaganda. Now, so Nnamdi Kanu